हेलो एवरीवन। कैसे हैं आप लोग? स्वागत है आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल MLT MCQ टेस्ट में। शाम को 6 बज चुके हैं। फिर से मैं हाजिर हूँ एक नए क्वेश्चनों के साथ जो एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। आप लोग क्लास को पूरा देखिएगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा। और जो नए स्टूडेंट क्लास में जुड़ रहे हैं वो वीडियो को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। जितने भी क्लास हो रहे हैं आपके एग्ज़ाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सभी इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं, तो वीडियो को ज़रूर देखिएगा। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज नए क्वेश्चनों के साथ। सबक्यूटेनियस सॉलिड मास ऑफ ब्लड एट द साइट ऑफ वेन पंक्चर। ऑप्शन ए ब्लीडिंग, बी सार्कोमा, सी हिमेटोमा, डी हिमोलाइसिस। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी हिमेटोमा। ऑप्शन सी इज राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which of the following play role in blood clotting except? Option A vasoconstriction, B platelet, C clotting factor, D fibrinolysis. Which of the following play role in blood clotting except? Correct answer is option D fibrinolysis. Next question. Which of the sorry when a blood clot moving throughout the body called as? Option A thrombus, B embolism, C vector, D hematoma. When a blood clot moving throughout the body called as? Correct answer is option B embolism. Next question. Which factor act of fibrin clot and make it treble clot? Option A factor 13, B thrombin, C prothrombin, D factor 1. Which factor act of fibrin clot and make it treble clot? Correct answer is option A factor 13. Option A is right answer. Next question. Antimicrobial agent that kill the bacteria are called. Option A bactericidal, B bacteriostatic, C bacterial killer, D antibiotic. Antimicrobial agent that kill the bacteria are called. Correct answer is option A bactericidal. Next question. Which anticoagulant present in blood culture bottle? Option A heparin, B double oxalate, C SPS, D none of the above. Correct answer is option C SPS. Option C is right. Next question. Spreading of disease worldwide called as? Option A infection, B endemic, C epidemic, D none of the above. Spreading of disease worldwide called as? Correct answer is option D none of the above. Spreading of disease worldwide called as a pandemic. इन चारों ऑप्शन में से कोई भी ऑप्शन पेंडेमिक का नहीं है, तो करेक्ट आंसर होगा नन ऑफ एबो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। कैंसर ऑफ बोन कॉल्ड एज? ऑप्शन ए लिम्फोमा, बी ल्यूकेमिया, सी सार्किनोमा, डी सार्कोमा, ई नन ऑफ द एबो। डियर स्टूडेंट, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, इसे आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा या आप लोग कॉपी पे इसे नोट कर लीजिएगा। एग्जामिनर का फेवरेट क्वेश्चन है। कैंसर ऑफ बोन कॉल्ड एज? Correct answer is option D, sarcoma. Cancer of bone called as sarcoma. Next question. In a reaction, if antibody number are decreased, they called as option A, post zone, B, pro zone, C, without zone, D, zone of equivalence. Correct answer is option A, post zone. Next question. What is means by histology? Option A, study of normal structure of tissue. B, study of diseased tissue. C, study of normal cells. D, none of the above. What is mean by histology? Correct answer is option A, study of normal structure of tissue. Next question. All of the following is granulocyte except option A, basophil, B, neutrophil, C, eosinophil, D, lymphocyte. WBC is two type, granulocyte, agranulocyte. Agranulocyte is two type, lymphocyte, monocyte, and granulocyte is three type, neutrophil, eosinophil, and basophil. Correct answer is option D, lymphocyte. Lymphocyte is a granulocyte. Next question. Which bond is not a part of antigen antibody reaction? Option A, ionic, B, hydrogen bond, C, covalent bond, D, hydrophobic interaction. Which bond is not a part of antigen antibody reaction? Correct answer is option C, covalent bond. Next question. Which of the following is a mandatory screening test before blood transfusion? Option A, hepatic C, B, malaria, C, HIV, D, all of the above. Which of the following is mandatory screening test before blood transfusion? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. Polishing of knife is called as option A, honing, B, sharpening, C, clearing, D, stopping. Polishing of knife is called as correct answer is option B, sharpening. Next question. Which of the following test is used to detect in vitro sensitization of RBC? Option A, indirect Kumb test, B, agglutination, C, precipitation, D, direct Kumb test. Which of the following test is used to detect in vitro sensitization of RBC? Correct answer is option A, indirect Kumb test. Next question. Which of the following reagent not a part of clearing? Option A, dioxin, B, toluene, C, acetone, D, xylene. Correct answer is option C, acetone. एसीटोन इज ए नॉट पार्ट ऑफ क्लियरिंग एजेंट, बाकी सब क्लियरिंग एजेंट हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द साइंटिफिक नेम ऑफ पिन वर्म? ऑप्शन ए एस्कैरिस लुम्ब्रिकॉइड्स, बी इंटेरोबियस वर्मिकुलेरिस, सी एनकाइलोटोमा ड्यूडेनल, डी टाइचूरिया टाइचूरिया. What is a scientific name of pinworm? Correct answer is option B, Enterobius vermicularis. Next question. In case of pancreatic disease, which of the following is elevated? Option A, amylase, B, carboxypeptidase, C, lipase, D. Both A and C. In case of pancreatic disease, which of the following is elevated? Correct answer is option D. Both A and C. Amylase and lipase. Next question. Microbacterium leprae resist decolorization from option A 5% sulfuric acid, B 25% sulfuric acid, C 3% sulfuric acid, D 20% sulfuric acid. Correct answer is option A 5% sulfuric acid. Next question. Mother antibody goes into baby view placenta or milk called as A. Option A passive artificial immunity, B active artificial immunity, C passive neutral immunity, D active neutral immunity. Mother antibody goes into baby view placenta milk called as A. Correct answer is option C passive neutral immunity. Option C is correct. Next question. Measurement all overall strength of antigen and antibody by option A avidity, B ELISA, C affinity, D calorimeter. Measurement all overall strength of antigen and antibody by correct answer is option A avidity. Next question. Paratope is site present on option A antibody, B antigen, C epitope, D option A and both A and B. Paratope is site present on correct answer is option A antibody. Option A is right answer. Next question. Antibody found in mother milk. Option A IgE, B IgM, C IgA, D IgG. Antibody found in mother milk. Correct answer है option C IgA. Option C is correct IgA. Next question. Which of the following is incorrect statement of fixation? Option A 10% buffer formalin is best. B only used in histopathology and cytology. C stop autolysis. D fixation depend upon temperature. Which of the following is incorrect statement of fixative? Option B is correct only used in histopathology and cytopathology. Next question. Hydrated cyst associated with which of the following? Option A Giardia lamblia, B Ascaris lumbicoides, C Ankylotoma duodenal, D Echinococcus granulosus. Correct answer is option D Echinococcus granulosus. Next question. FNAC 5 needle aspiration cytology taken from option A lymph node, B breast lump, C nodules, D all of the above. FNAC taken from correct answer is option D all of the above. Next question. Cerebral malaria is caused by option A Plasmodium falciparum, B Plasmodium vivax, C Plasmodium ovale, D all of the above. Cerebral malaria is caused by correct answer is option A Plasmodium falciparum. Next question. True about malaria capsule following except option A. Protect bacteria by lytic enzyme. B. Stain by gram stain. C. Last by repeated subculture. D. Prevent phagocytosis. Correct answer is option B. Stain by gram stain. Option B is correct. Next question. Which of the following not a part of ketone body? Option A. Beta hydroxybutyric acid. B. Acetoacetate. C. Acetone. D. Acetic acid. Which of the following not a part of ketone body? Correct answer is option D. Acetic acid. Next question. Which clearance test is more specific for kidney? Option A. Urea clearance test. B. Creatinine clearance test. C. Insulin clearance test. D. None of the above. Which clearance test is more specific for kidney? Correct answer is option B. Creatinine clearance test. Next question. In which instrument we take reading of radioisotope? Option A. Autoradiograph. B. Scintillation. C. Isolation chamber. D. All of the above. In which instrument we take reading of radioisotopes? Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Next question. What do you mean by polyuria? Option A. Increase amount of urine. B. Increase amount of urea. C. Increase amount of urea in urine. D. Increase amount of uric acid. Correct answer is option A. Increase amount of urine. Next question. Which is not a part of cytology? Option A. FNSE. B. Body fluid study. C. Calcofluor. D. Cytology. Which is not a part of cytology? Correct answer is option C. Calcofluor is not a part of cytology. Next question. Megaloblastic anemia occur due to deficiency of option A. Vitamin B9. B. Folate. C. Vitamin B12. D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Next question. Translocation between 9 and 22 chromosomes called as option A. Fanconi syndrome. B. Gilbert syndrome. C. Down syndrome. D. Philadelphia chromosome. Translocation between 9 and 22 chromosome called as correct answer is option D. Philadelphia chromosome. Next question. Which of the following is a nuclear stain? Option A. Hematoxylin. B. Iosine stain. C. Nigrosin. D. Orange G stain. Which of the following is a nuclear stain? Correct answer is option A. Hematoxylin is a nuclear stain. Next question. Dick test is associated with option A. Staphylococcus albus. B. Streptococcus viridans. C. Staphylococcus aureus. D. Streptococcus pyogenes. Dick test is associated with correct answer is option D. Streptococcus pyogenes. Next question. Ultra thin section for electron microscope cut at option A 50 to 90 mm, B 50 to 19 nm, C 1 to 2 mm, D 1 to 2 nm। आप लोग ऑप्शन को सावधानी पूर्वक पढ़िएगा क्योंकि इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है और करेक्ट आंसर रॉन्ग हो जाता है। अल्ट्रा थिन सेक्शन फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप कट एट करेक्ट करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी 50 to 90 nm। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज करेक्ट ऑर्डर फॉर बैक्टीरिया ग्रोथ? ऑप्शन ए लॉग लैग डिक्लाइन स्टेशनरी, बी लैग स्टेशनरी लॉग डिक्लाइन, सी लॉग लैग स्टेशनरी डिक्लाइन, डी लैग लॉग स्टेशनरी डिक्लाइन। व्हाट इज करेक्ट ऑर्डर फॉर बैक्टीरिया ग्रोथ? करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी लैग लॉग स्टेशनरी डिक्लाइन। ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फ्लेमिंग इज डन इन द फॉलोइंग फॉर स्टेरिलाइजेशन एक्सेप्ट। ऑप्शन ए फॉरसेप्स, बी फ्लास्क माउथ, सी ग्लास स्लाइड, डी माउथ ऑफ टिश्यू। फ्लेमिंग इज डन इन फॉलोइंग फॉर स्टेरिलाइजेशन एक्सेप्ट। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए फॉरसेप्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन फ्लोरोसेंट माइक्रोस्कोप व्हाट इज यूज्ड? ऑप्शन ए सैंपल लाइट, बी सनलाइट, सी यूवी रेज, डी इलेक्ट्रॉन बीम। ऑप्शन ए में टाइपिंग एरर हो गया है तो सैंपल लाइट है। इन फ्लोरोसेंट माइक्रोस्कोप व्हाट इज यूज्ड? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी यूवी रेज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, पैपिलोमार्स present on which site in virus? Option A capsid, B envelope, C nucleocapsid, D nucleic acid। Papillomas present on which site in virus? Correct answer is option B envelope। Next question, what indicate if reports say retrovirus positive? Option A herpes, B rabies, C hepatitis, D HIV। What indicate if reports say retrovirus positive? Correct answer is option D HIV। Next question, which statement is incorrect for sodium fluoride? Option A it is also used in urine glucose detection, B it inhibit enolase enzyme, C it is an anticoagulant, D it prevent glucose level of fall down। Correct answer is option A it is also used in urine glucose detection। Next question, protein are made up of option A amino acid, B uric acid, C peptide, D amino peptidase। Protein are made up of, correct answer is option A amino acid। Next question, nucleoside made up of option A nucleotide plus phosphate, B nitrogenous base plus nucleotide, C nitrogenous base plus pentose sugar plus phosphate, D nitrogenous plus pentose। क्वेश्चन पूछा है न्यूक्लियोसाइड मेड अप ऑफ, Correct answer is option D, nitrogenous plus pentose sugar. Next question. Which of the following is not a DNA virus? Option A, Orthomyxoviridia. B, Poxviridae. C, Adenoviridae. D, Papoaviridae. Which of the following is not a DNA virus? Correct answer is option A, Orthomyxoviridae. Next question. Which of the following contain protein but no nucleic acid? Option A, Rickettsia. B, virus. C, prions. D, mycoplasma. Correct answer is option C, prions. Next question. Which of the following is not a fluorescent dye? Option A, rhodamine. B, methylene blue. C, oramine. D, chalcofluor. Which of the following is not a fluorescent dye? Correct answer is option B, methylene blue. Next question. In which positive patient which blood cell decrease in number? Option A, CD8. B, small lymphocyte. C, CD4. D, all of the above. In HIV positive patient which blood cell decrease in number? Correct answer is option C, CD4. डियर स्टूडेंट, यही तक था आज का क्लास। फिर मिलते हैं कल शाम 6 बजे नए क्वेश्चनों के साथ। और आप लोगों को एडवांस में हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। आप लोग खूब मेहनत के साथ पढ़िए और नए साल में सिलेक्शन लीजिए। और वीडियो को पसंद आया हो तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा और पूरा वीडियो को देखिएगा। जय हिंद।